Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. Let's do your love read now, Virgo. Let's go a little deeper today. Let's see how you're doing, how your partner's doing, and where your energies are aligning now. And these are general collective readings, Virgo, will not resonate with all of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Virgo and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So, Virgo, as always, we'll take an angel blessing card first. Let's see how my angels are going to bless this reading, and then we'll start your read. So, my angels, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for Virgo, please. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. This one. All right, thank you. Let's put the rest back, Virgo. And the card I have for you says stress management. Virgo, what's wrong? Why are you stressed out? Or maybe this is for the cross watcher, but whoever's stressed out, Virgo, I think my angels are saying it's time to take control, maybe go for a walk, listen to some music, just do something nice and ease out that stress, okay? Remember one thing in life, the only constant in life is change. Nothing stays forever. Good times, bad times, sad times, happy times, everything changes. So don't get too stressed out if you are, okay? Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all your lovely comments, your support to the channel, your likes, your share. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, if you're new here, Virgo, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of our Omkara family. We welcome you in. So newbies, let me explain this. I'm setting down these two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center, I'll have your mutual energies. And Virgo, for the duration of the reading, I will be mentioning them as person A and person B. You'll know which side you're on, right? And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Virgo, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Bottom of my spread, I have the Three of Pentacles in reverse. So there's a bit of trouble working together, or I hope there's not a third party involved here, Virgo. Let's open your cards and find out. For person A, I have the Hermit in reverse, Five of Cups, Page of Swords, Knight of Cups, Judgment, and the Seven of Wands. Okay. For person B, Two of Wands, Ace of Wands, Page of Cups, Nine of Swords, Nine of Cups, lots of nines here, and the Eight of Swords. Here's your stress, Virgo. From what I see, I think somebody has made a foolish mistake here, which they have a lot of regret and sorrow about. They are watching their partner, they're keeping an eye on them. They know that if right now they go towards their partner, they probably will be rejected. And this person B is standing here at crossroads now, not feeling the passion, maybe waiting for an apology so that they can come out of this sleepless nights and stress and tension, not feeling emotionally happy at the moment. So let's see what your mutual energies are. But before that, I'm going to take some dialogue message cards, Virgo. Let's see if you guys could really say something to each other, what that would be. Virgo and their person, spirit. Virgo and their person. They could say something to each other now. Thank you. Let's take a few from here. Virgo and their person, spirit. Virgo and their person. Thank you. And we'll take some true confessions as well and see why this person feels they've made a foolish mistake. One card, Spirit. Thank you. And one more. Thank you. All right, all set, good to go, Virgo. Let's begin your reading. The first card says, I'm trying to be the person that you see me to be. I never thought I could be that person. I'm trying to be the person that you see me to be. I never thought I could be that person. Maybe they always felt they were not good enough. I know you still check my social media. Spy card. I know you still check my social media. I don't check yours though. So somebody is upset and angry here and saying, hey, I'm not interested in checking on you now because I've given up on you. I didn't really believe in marriage until I met you. I pray for you all the time and do healing work on your behalf. I had put you on a pedestal and made myself small. Maybe to make their partner feel bigger and better, two things happened, Virgo. One, I think the person who put the other person on a pedestal, they had to make them feel small, and the person who was put on a pedestal didn't feel they belonged there. Like this card says, I'm trying to be the person that you see me as. You put me on a pedestal. I never thought I could be that person. And what the other person did, they put them on a pedestal and they tried to kind of make themselves smaller to maybe make their partner look or feel better. My past of how I was raised affects how I act now in life. I don't think I can handle this anymore. Too much stress, too much tension. I don't think I can handle this anymore. Waiting on you to forgive me. I promise I can change. Somebody does want to come back, but they fear they'll be rejected now. Maybe the offer will not be accepted, whereas I see the other person is waiting for that apology. You're the most beautiful creature I have ever seen. Oh, that's sweet and romantic. Let's start with your cards and see what's really going on here. Why is the Hermit in reverse here, Spirit, for person A? Hermit in reverse. Hermit in reverse here, Spirit. Why? One more card. Maybe somebody just kind of wanted to play around. Maybe this is what they were, maybe a Knight of Wands, and what their partner wanted them to become was the King of Wands. And they didn't want to maybe leave their old lifestyle. Maybe they had a fear of changing the way they were. Five of Cups. Five of Cups. Yes, this person is in deep regret and sorrow now. They feel that they were trying to be one up, but right now I think this person is feeling like a loser. They feel they lost the battle. They have a lot of regret, a lot of sorrow. Maybe this was a third party situation here because I have the Three of Pentacles again, and this person looking back at the Three Cups which have now fallen to the ground, right? This person is really wanting now to end this conflict with their partner, that's for sure. They have a lot of regret for the way things have gone down. They're keeping a watch with the Page of Swords energy. They're still kind of checking up. They're still maybe stalking them on social media, asking friends and family, desperately wanting now to come back with a romantic offer. Yes, they are. But they are unsure whether they are going to be accepted or rejected now. Knight of Cups in reverse. Yes, because now some tower moment has happened and they know it's their fault. They also know that they've created this tower moment, but they're hoping for, they're begging for a rebirth. Actually, judgment, right? This person is really praying, hoping that this thing can be resurrected and things can come back to normal, and this fight can, like these barriers that have been put up between the two of you, this wall which is there between the two of you, can be dropped now, and the worst will be over if you guys can do that. That's what they're hoping. But right now, not being able to move forward, maybe their partners blocked them, yes, and walked away from them, right? But this person is very regretful. They are still watching. They know they've made a big mistake somewhere here. I don't know what that mistake is. Each of you will have different mistakes your partners made, but this person is really wanting this rebirth, really wanting to come back with a romantic offer, feeling rather bad about the way things have gone down and not being able to make a move right now because they're waiting for things to maybe settle down, or maybe because their partners walked away now. So, Two of Wands, Spirit. Two of Wands for person B. Two of Wands for person B. Yes, the person B is now standing at crossroads. They're wondering whether I should just shut that old chapter down and maybe start a new one. Yes, they feel I never felt strong in this connection. All I got was heartbreak from it. And do I even want to continue this? Do I even have any passion left for this connection? Right now, person B is only trying to heal their broken heart, right? And wondering whether to shut this chapter down completely. Ace of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Ace of Wands in reverse. Yes, they feel this connection really took a wrong turn here, and everything kind of backfired on them. None of their dreams, wishes, hopes, nothing came true, and this whole connection has backfired on them now. Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. Page of Cups. They do have a lot of love. Even person B has a lot of love yet for person A. They are also wishing for the same thing that person A is wishing for. The person A is wanting to come back with an apology. Person B is waiting for that apology, waiting for that love offer to come in. They may be hiding their emotions or put a lid on that cup of love right now, but the love is there. It's hiding in that cup right there. They also want movement. They want things to start flowing in a nicer manner and just kind of move so that they don't have to have any more sleepless nights and kind of be happy once again. Nine of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Nine of Swords in reverse. Yes, they're manifesting. They are manifesting, they're dreaming, they're fantasizing about this connection, hoping, wishing that, things can start moving once again and they can be finally out of their stress and worry. But because right now, person B is very stressed out. They are not emotionally happy at all. They are overthinking this connection. They are stuck in their head. Nine of Cups in reverse. They're not happy right now, but they do want to. As much as person B is guarding themselves, they are ready to try one more time. They don't like to be in solitude. They don't like to be in hermit mode where they're alone and lonely and sad and single, right? When they're single and not with their partner, their mind goes all over the place, especially because of the fight that's happened. This person starts overthinking and over stressing and Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords. Yes, they want emotional happiness, and right now, person B is absolutely not feeling that it's achievable because something has happened between your connection which has kind of ruined some memories for them now. They're only concentrating on the bad and not thinking of what good can happen, right? They're wondering now, am I ever going to have a new beginning with this person, or is it better that I start a brand new story for myself? This person doesn't like to be alone. This could be the feminine energy here. This seems to be the masculine energy for me, but could be vice versa. Let's see your mutual energies. 10 of Wands, 2 of Pentacles, and the Queen of Swords. All right. This Queen of Swords is coming out everywhere in every reading. 10 of Wands, Spirit, for the mutual energy. See, the love is there between both of you. Look at this cup of love. Overflowing love. It's even to end this connection seems like a burden. How, like both of you are thinking, how do you end a connection which has so much love between the two of you? Even if it's energetic, you're feeling it, right? 2 of Pentacles. What's this back and forth? 2 of Pentacles. King of Cups. All right. Oh, see, here I told you. This person who's wanting to come forward with a Knight of Cups energy is turning into the King of Cups now, right? They know that they love their person as well. There's a lot of love from both ends. They actually want to offer stability. But there is a bit of maybe either another person in the mix that they're juggling, or maybe they're juggling with how to make it work. There is some kind of back and forth energy into making this work, but the love is there, the thought of stability and happiness is there. Then Spirit, what is this 2 of Pentacles? What's this 2 of Pentacles? What's this back and forth energy about, Spirit? How to bring the balance back into this connection? How to heal the situation, how to balance the situation, how to heal the connection once again. So this masculine is heavily thinking of that. The love is there. They want to offer stability. They want to have stability. But right now figuring out a way how to bring this connection back together, because I think they know that their Queen of Cups now has become the Queen of Swords. Right? They know that the person might be very angry with them. Queen of Swords, Spirit? Yes, this is burdening them. Very overwhelmed. Yes, they want this reunion so bad. They want it so bad, but this thought is burdening them as to how to face this Queen of Swords now. How do I go towards them and start anything? Because what if they cut my head off? What if they reject me? So there is miscommunication from what I see here. I see this person wanting to move forward, this person wanting this person to move forward, but you know what I mean, right? Anything else, Spirit? Any advice or anything? You'll have to work at it. You'll both have to put in some work. You'll have to maybe start from scratch and build this up again. If you really, really feel that love for each other, whoever's done the wrong, which I think is side one, because they brought the tower down, right? Because of some foolish mistake they made. Yes, you'll have to work at it. But if you're here watching the video, then please know your person is waiting for that apology. They also have a lot of love for you. And person B, if you're the one watching the video, then let them do the work. Sit pretty. Just don't stay stressed, because I've told you now, the love is there. And they do want you. They do love you. Okay? So just ease out your stress and tension. Go look pretty. Have your beauty sleep. And let them work for you. Okay? So that's all I have for you, Virgo. I hope this worked. Let me know, please, if you can. Till then, love and light. Namaste.